Welcome to the first video from Lisa's Lair Bookstore. Today I'm unboxing Michael Kyman's new book, Freshwater Fishes of Cameroon. As you can see from the three boxes I have, I don't have all that many, and there's only 1,000 been printed. So with that, let's have a look. I've been waiting for a long time for this book. I've heard great things about it. I've seen lots of previews from Michael, and we'll just see how good it is. If I can get into it. He wraps things very well. It's like me. Oh my goodness, he's a better rapper than I am. I never thought I'd say that. Oh my goodness. Victory. Safety first. Okay. And there we are. Let me just put all this away. That's the book. Now, let's have a look. This will be my copy, so if I damage it, it's on me. It's a very heavy book. It's unfortunately going to cost a fair bit to mail, but it's a very nice book. There's plenty of maps throughout. He told me about them. This example of some of the fishes, barbs or tetras from upside down. Canada, they're barbs. There's a large section I know on killies in here. That's some elephant nose type fish. The maps are quite extensive and will help immensely if you're ever going over there. This is a section on killies. Every killie from the country is portrayed in here. And I particularly like the way he's put his hands in there, so it gives you an idea on the size. Beautiful fish. This is a beautiful book. It's really portrayed well. It's got some good nature shots there. Give you an idea of what to do for biotopes. Some bashirs. More nature shots. And then we get to the cichlids. Nice large photos, really good for helping to identify species. Rather extensive. I like the way he's got both male and female photos of the fish here to help you. There's little text in all sections explaining the fish, which is good. Beautiful nature shots. Cichlids section is quite extensive. Very extensive actually. There's a lot of cichlids from that area, West Africa. And I believe he has them all from Cameroon. Beautiful fish, even if they are cichlids. My favourite's the rainbow fish, and unfortunately there are none in Africa. but beautiful. This is a great book, and I do look forward to reading it. It's going to take a while. Cribs, always beautiful fish. Now, I've probably skipped over it, but I know there is a section on plants. I believe that's at the front of the book. So if you're doing a biotape from Cameroon, you can get an idea on the plants to put in your tank as well. So really good. This is going to be fantastic, actually. Go back to the front there, aquatic plants. There's a whole section on that. It shows you the plant and gives you a brief description on it and the care requirements of each one. An invaluable resource for any aquarist, actually. So that's it, Michael's book. It's fantastic. I've already read the first book of his, and I'm looking forward to the third. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you've got any questions, ask them below, and I'll try and answer every question. Thank you.